Some people just they do anyhow for this life. Imagine one woman who just carry load from market, reach where to the enter motor. I drop the load. Make he give me my money. He tell me say money don't loss. This woman no gree. Like play, we begin quarrel. She swear for me, I swear for her. She swear for me, I swear for her. Now I might say, no wahala. Say wahala no wear panto. Because I know say I get profit for house. If I reach, I will just table the matter give you. Make you just use prayer, scatter the whole woman for me. Because me I no go gree for this life. I no go gree. No wahala, how your side now? How business dey safe? Anthony. Oh, but no be here they call. What did happen now? This one when you do like person wey in church no dey move. People know they come here. People know they come pray for you. How far now?
My brother Dave. I dey far. I dey very very far. I think say I go do this one go free, but this one he overcome me. Gary he don't pass water instead of water make it pass Gary for this one. So now wow, they talk and say what goes around must surely come around. I think you sabi that my daughter of Zion Kiloriko herself Charity,
the prayer warrior now.
Emio Charity don't get belle from you.
Talk am again.
I said Charity don't get belle from me.
Na lie.
My own don't finish.
Oh boy.
Making you worry yourself. I'm telling you something that you are even laughing at me. To make you.
I talk am. Which kind of prayer una dey do morning, afternoon, night? In fact, for midnight, a person no dey sleep for here. Even say na person wey winch full in head. I talk am saying, na question these people dey kwa. So na fornicate, na they really dey fornicate for this house. Prophet Anthony, prayer warrior. Hey, so Anthony prophet don't give daughter of Zion prayer warrior Charity belle. Hey, things dey happen. Wahala don wear pants.
Dave, why you dey laugh unnecessarily?
Boy, abeg, no necessarily laugh. This is just dey funny. Okay now, Okay. As it don't be like this now, wetin you wan do?
Emil, nah, wait up with that one. I quickly gave her money to go on about the belle before the whole world go hear say she get belle for Reverend Prophet Pastor Evangelist Anthony. Abeg, I no dey for that one.
Abeg, I been put continue for here. I no really hear wetin you talk. Abeg, talk am again. You say you do wetin, you give person wetin.
Defi, I talk am say if no be say you be my friend, wetin I for do you I no go. If I see you, they no go recognize you. I say I give her money make she go comot the belle. Before the whole world go hear say Prophet Pastor Reverend Evangelist Anthony don give daughter of Zion Charity belle. You come dey still dey ask me that stupid question.
Anthony, now wey you don reach your turn, prophet, abeg, wetin dey call abortion? Because I remember say abortion na big sin. For your own case now, wetin they go call am?
See me see jam question. For on top the one where they concern, where they make me they sweat anyhow, you still dey shame me with your jam question. Now God go have mercy on you.
On me? I think now you go pack mercy give. Your second name na mercy now, you know. Now you go pack mercy give now. Because now you dey spoil him name.
See, make I tell you. If
this your holier than thou attitude wey be say you go dey claim say you holy. Now you go pack 3 kilos of Messi.
Make I tell you. If no be say you be my friend, I'm too for stay for this answer. Hey, what now for do here? You no go understand that. I beg come on for you, make I come on for you. Come on for you, my room.
This life, abortion is a sin. God will punish you. Do you know your position in hellfire? You will rot it. Okay, let me lie with you.
No, Mercy, I go for Chelsea. It's not possible. This is very, very serious. Fancy. They go for and even again, fill it together. This is very serious. This is very, very serious. See, people use their better leg, they make better money. Me and my brothers will there for anyway, my leg I good, I take my own and I do my security work. Yeah? The other one I did is I drink and up and down. No problem. It's well. They go post prophet.
If sister Sarity comes here, tell her say I know they. I'm not around though. Exactly.
Prophet, what's the matter? I don't end up for my prophetic ministry. For that my sister knows that my sister correct sister, they go here every time. But no problem. The message I clear fast DSTV. I don't get a problem with me. My message I clear fast DSTV. The message I there they do go. My message I pass
see, you better pass across the message when I send you. Tell her say I know they. I'm not around though. I don't want to see her for now.
No problem.
Sure,
no problem.
Sure,
no problem.
Sure,
no problem. Prophet, I get a sorting for your boy. Every time I go just stingy, my trouser I know they reach up for ground. Every time I will go here, I go put her for one trouser. I go they waka. Yeah, no problem. I go deliver the message as I say make I deliver them. But I go there for here when everything will happen. Yeah. This is my stupid brother. See people they make big money. Who are the local for my? Who are the local for this time of the night? I don't know. Say night I don't go. What? I be you?
My friend is dead.
I saw it.
Oh, come to dead.
Who? At the point. Come back here, my friend. What's
Why are you holding me like that?
Why not you holding me? Yeah? Me, my hand where I did so.
My friend, leave my hand.
Me and Prophet, push first in my hand, I soft fast. I get your loss and I'll bring her for my cutlass. If I bring her back, jump on me. My friend, what are you looking for?
Are you to ask me what I'm looking for in this place? Are you drunk or something? Are you alright?
Are they push me?
Are you alright?
I leave her for my house by this time of the night. I come this place. I meet her for me for executive chief security officer like me for this place. I come here. I call the sweater for me. I feel like my brother Timothy why they drink a walk.
Oh my friend, shut up.
That's why they drink a walk. I see security officer like me, chief security officer. I just for my boss. I want to tell me if I don't drink or something.
Who else would I be looking for in this compound if not Reverend Pastor Anthony?
Who? Now they come by this time of the night. I told you I know they sleep.
Get out of my sight. Nonsense.
And they push me go. I go see the one I fast push for front. Just they go. And they sweater for me. Come make gentle security officer like me. Marry me, keep her for my house. Give her belly. I want to follow if you can. I want to insult me. No problems. I go know the first one I go marry me as last. Every time I go come, I give her for body, I give her money, I give her everything. All in the name of say I be pastor, I be prophet. If I get her for better brothers, we open up our own ministry. I do have my own ministry for one side, my brother do a ministry for one side.
As I was saying, you know, say now the way where you dress, now you go determine the way people go take address you. The Bible equally talks say a prostitute is known by her attire. As a young beautiful girl where you be, and as my neighbor for this beautiful compound, you not suppose they dress like this where you dress. Your dressing not suppose they indecent at all.
Bros, thank you.
Point of correction, I no be bros, I be reverend, prophet, evangelist, pastor, Gio, Messiah, Anthony. But may you they call me prophet Anthony. That one you go good.
Okay, Prophet Anthony.
Exactly.
Thanks for your advice.
You're welcome.
You know our people say that it's when you like someone that you give that person advice that their mouth is messy.
Benny.
But you know, I stay most times in dormitory. So this time around, I came home and realized that I've outgrown most of my clothes.
Na true, sha. Na true talk. But may you no forget say the Bible talk say the truth wey we know. Now you go come set us free. But make you no worry. Make you no worry. I go give you small money. Make you take and enter market, go buy some clothes for yourself. You know say I like you. So you know say I like you. Make you help me pick that block wey dey for ground. Make I use am go fix something for my sanctuary. First say I wan send you message. Help me pick am. Na that block, na the block. Make you help me go. Make you no fair. No be the stone I wan make you help me pick before. Na the plank wey dey there. No say, hey, my mouth you don dey run o. I no know. Na the plank. You know wetin I go use this one do for my sanctuary. Na the plank I need. Make you no fair say I dey send you message o. So make you no fair so. Make you no fair. Wetin dey worry you? Why you come dey hit my head?
I will tell her uncle everything that transpired to me now. You call yourself prophet, evangelist, Anthony, but you don't guess what?
Make it come up for here.
You don't guess what?
Come up for here, my friend.
See you, you dey look smoking. I see.
Come, make I tell you. Make I warn you. Make I warn you. The Bible talk say, touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. And the Bible equally talk say, now the mouth when we take the bless, now we go take us. No let me cost your life.
What's wrong? Why are you laying the curse on him?
Make you no mind. Make you no mind. Cause see wahala, no problem. Now this my guy wey they fearfully and wonderfully created by God. Make you no worry. Make you no forget what I tell you. No forget. The plan. No mind am o. No be this idiot. He don't come make me. I no come. I beg I go use am later. Na later I go come pick and use am do wetin I wan do for this thing. Shey you go come fall asleep later.
I'll try.
Hey, you come fall asleep.
I'll try.
Make you try. Hey, I go see you for fall asleep o. Make you no worry. Make you.
Look at him. See this prophet. He don't get hand to work. Anything wey I tell you, no kill you. Anything wey prophet, evangelist, Anthony dey talk, it's a lie o. See you know say for Bible they talk say because Delilah killing for Samson, that is why Samson destroy her. I know you make prophet Anthony destroy you. You know you are a fine girl. And the prophet Anthony no guess what? No kill you.
I've heard you.
She not tell me. You don't guess what now. Because if you don't say you guess what, if you take my advice, but you don't guess what? She if you speak glamour for me. Mama, I let me know.
What are you looking at? Don't look at me. Don't even go there. Don't even try to touch me. Do you hear me? Don't try me.
My love. What is the problem now? See, it is me your love. It is me your reverend. Don't I have the right to touch your body anymore? I thought you promised me that na two of us till death do us part. And you know say Bible talk say can two agree, can two work together except if they agree. See, we need to we both need to agree so that I can visit Jerusalem before Konjigo kill the son of man.
Oh, So now because of say you won't prevent konji for your body, now make they come beg me nabi. You won't beg to come enter Jerusalem, to come enter my honeypot, abi? As what? As my husband, or as per se you don't pay my dowry, or you don't put ring for my hand. Which one? Tell me. The Bible said the wives should be submissive to their husbands only when they are married. At least make me say if I prove to you say I fit quote the Bible. I dey go church now. I fit quote the Bible like you, even pass you safe. You dey hear? Haven't you read in the Bible that says that defiling the matrimonial bed before marriage is a sin? Have you not heard that? Now let me tell you something. You are not going to get to my honeypot if you don't tell me the reason why you told the gate man to tell me that whenever I come, he should tell me that you were not in, when actually you were inside.
Hey, Duru. No first. Now that one come make you the first.
Oh, so I no go vex.
No first. The reason why I had to tell the gate man to tell you say I know this now because I dey observe my prayer and fasting. You know say I need to be endowed with the power of the Holy Spirit to heal, to cast out demons, and even to raise the dead. I beg no first. No first. No first. I beg. Just let me enter this Jerusalem in order to not allow Konji to kill the son of man. I beg. I'm begging you. No first.
You don't need that, Abi? Because say you want browse Jerusalem. You don't need that. You don't read down for the Bible when Bible talks say make husbands no kneel down for their wives.
In this case, I know what I want, and I will kneel down for you in order to browse.
You be bad guy. That make I like you, Sha.
Yeah.
But anyway, Sha. No wahala. Come manifest.
You mean make I come manifest?
I mean that. Come manifest.
Make I come manifest.
Come manifest.
Make I come manifest. Make I come manifest.
Manifest. Ewe wo. Papa, the gractor. Ewe wo. I love you. Hello? Obi wo. Obi wo. Udo pasa. I dey your house. I dey that place where they keep those fowl where they capture. If I even dey go now. I say my cold clean and glass don't full everywhere. Huh? I go clean now. May you not be say a place where person don't long forever. Help you. You know say na next week. Now go come as Saba. So good.
Asava right there. They go no say I'm me baby. Come Asava. You know now. Oh the more. Yes. Help him. If I come, keep plenty things for me. Those Igbo food where would they watch for television? Even when they go to television, keep up for me. If I come, I go finish where. Okay, bye bye. Oh the more. Hey, ewo, anwa tabuo. Hey, ewo.
Leave me, Shakilo. Because you life is a lot of money. Because you life is a lot of money. Leave me, Shakilo.
My friend, shut up. I'm not here at the mission. I don't even hear what I talk. Give me ego. Nyamego. My friend, the only money where I get for my life, now the money where I take and they buy for biscuits.
Yes.
Yeah? Yes. And I thief for my pocket.
If I not thief your own, whose own I go thief?
Friend, shut up. I be my father.
What's my brother?
I'm my brother and I'm my father. When Fafa I die, Mama I die and live for everybody. I come back from Sokoto. I come back here and they carry for my problem.
Wait, make I ask you, if I take person's own and they kill me outside, will you be happy?
Never thief. You know, say, I like me plenty.
Yes,
I don't cause a problem, but I like me. No problems.
How could you fight this kid?
My friend, I don't do. Where this idiot I put it?
Madwe, you see this question where he asked me now. If he asks me now, what I go ask? Okay, see, if I tell you, you know guess what? You know go kill you. You know go kill you. You know, you could sleep like a person when done that. Me, because I guess what? I just say when in the come on, in the call like this. In the call like this.
The one I drink yesterday never come off my eye.
I know.
I want to go drink another one. If for me, they do for this work, why they do like this? From morning till at times 1 o'clock for night. Why I not go sleep like that? I make a get her for me, and you don't say me I like me feeling. Yes. I'm my brother, and I get her for respect. I make a like her for me.
So they don't they come back.
I just celebrate everything I do. I just celebrate everything I do. I just celebrate.
My friend, shut up. What's the matter with me? What's in that celebrate?
I went to my level don't change. I'm no more into guy. I'm now into features of 88.
I don't change from one level of high to another level.
No more guy.
Why you come like this?
I did.
Sit up for Dan.
Yes.
Sit up. I go break up for this house.
Oh, you have to kill me.
No problem. You see about this year, I will take her back to my security post. This year, why I bring her for this place? Make the manager. Both of me, I don't stop. So I spoil her.
I'm talking. Say this meeting is against me. That was why I went to get quick.
My friend, sit down. If I come out for this place, make a referral for this chair. If I no referral for this chair, if landlord come here, na me sabi you.
If I knock you, if I knock you,
I come like this. Come like this. My friend, go this way. I do the knock. What's the matter with me?
Because I'm not taking this.
Oh yeah, sit down. Make I not talk again. If I hear my mouth, I'll slap somebody. Are you correct? My friend, if I hear my mouth again, if I don't ask me to talk, I slap you. And my elder brother, for goodness sake, shut up!
People are against me.
Anyway, no problem. You know why I call her for this meeting? I call her this meeting. Even I live here. Because I don't know if I have my flesh and my blood.
Hey, we should be asking you that.
Shut up! They say, I be flesh and blood. My own flesh, I did different. My blood, I did different. My own person, I did different. But that's not a problem. Why I call on this meeting? Be say, I want travel. I dey travel, I dey go for job interview. From there, I dey go Sokoto, make I go see her for my Nigerian.
Is it travel or you are going to die? Let me know.
Thunder, fire me. Thunder, fire my head. I said me, I dey go die for. Thunder, fire me, fire my family. In fact, fire my papa, fire my mama, why I don't die. I'm Morofa.
And because my mother, I mean your own mother.
Shut up! I can say me if I'm not be the same papa, the same mama, I born all of us.
Not be the same mother than mother all of us.
Thunder, fire my head. Well, see, as I dey travel so,
Thank God.
I dey hand am for my office over to Aloysius. Because I trust her for Aloysius. As I dey stagger so, I fit die around, but my own place, I know they stay for house.
Me.
Aloysius, henceforth, now me, I go take over my security force as the acting security officer of the house.
For what?
I like her for.
Yes, sir.
Hey, sit down for that.
For what?
Never begin her.
Why will he realize you? Is this stronger than me? Look at you. Is this stronger?
This one I be like toothpick.
Back to sender.
I don't say for toothpick before.
Brother.
If I chop her for meat, I take a toothpick, I come out for small meat right there for my mouth. And so this one I did. Why I not go give him?
My brother, God will bless you.
Amen.
It's well.
You man.
In fact, now I will be in town. Because I guess you are.
I got a host.
Look at who is talking.
My friend, shut up.
Look at human animal. Born by mistake. And I wonder where our mother face and delivered mistake.
Papa, I make mistake.
Very big mistake.
If Papa, I make a mistake for this one.
Even the production make mistake.
Papa, I regret why I born me.
Jealousy.
This one, I make up for mistake. This one, I regret why I born me.
Jealousy go kill you.
This is Angel Musa that produced this one, not God.
If I shot up for Musa, I be holy prophet.
Holy prophet.
I shot up for Musa.
It's him that created this one. That is his handwork.
Musa, I feel like that Bible where prophet Antonio had mentioned. Respect myself, I would never me.
Listen, I can stand straight more than you.
Hey.
Yes.
No talk for serious, Masa.
I go straight.
Don't go for serious.
See, let me tell you. If you come out and you come back after 10 p.m.
This confan go die.
It's better for you to sleep from where you are coming from. Because if you come back house, I'm not going to open gate.
In the yard.
Shut up.
Me and you, we go do the washman. But the difference there is that you'll be doing your own outside the gate. For me, I'll be inside the gate doing it my own.
Wait.
If I knock you,
My friend, come here. What's the matter with me? If I come out again, I will knock my head.
Okay now.
Now listen, make I give my friend hold my ear. Hold my ear.
Okay.
Hold him, 2 hands, hold my ear. I hold him.
The hand,
No problem.
The hand okay.
My friend, as I come out for this house, I don't want for me to come back here. They say I don't sack for me for my absence. Are they hear me go?
I did.
Not be only this idiot, they stay for outside later. Some people that they go pull up for night. Are they hear me go? Anybody where I come for this place, if I knock up for the door, make I open up for gate. I hear me go. I knock if for outside before they go begin they call my number.
Thank you.
I hear me go. No problem. If I like,
What is club?
I don't know club. Club na place where they go. I carry for plenty nyarenya. I dey dance am. You get as I dey do me.
So, I don't go the club.
Me?
You don't go the club now.
I dey go club plenty. I don't know. I fast me for that one, but no problem. I hear what I talk. I dey go my security force. If I like, make I dey for this place they misbehave. From next week I go take over. No problem.
Look at you, you are too brave. If you knock, I knock you. Look at.
So I will give some. I come out for house. I begin the fight. Go.
And the fight.
My friend, shut up.
Fight with this woman.
I come out for you. I begin the fight.
I just the display. I will kill you.
I dey knock for my head. I dey do for boys. Can I go scared for my head? I dey do am.
Don't worry.
My friend, come out for here.
I don't go. Put you. I go.
Take come out.
I will donate you in the church. You see you free with donation. That's what I will do before you come
if
back.
If I donate, I make I donate myself.
Me?
If I donate, I make I don't come back alone. Donate myself.
If you will return, no, because
in fact, take me to burnt offering.
You will die there. This one will die there. I will donate you for church.
Nonsense.
After donation, I will be the king and the gate man, and God will remember exactly of this country. People will see. I know people have spiritually locked this door against me. Look, come and open this door. Okay, come back. I don't have your time.
Hey, whoa, hey. Network, oh, be more. Network. Yup, oh, don't walk on the village. I don't walk in this village. Hey, Jesus, oh, hey. Oh, Obia. Obia. Obibo, it is ringing. Hey, me pico. Hey. Hey, it's ringing now. It is ringing. Make it pick now. Obi pick now. Pick is here. Huh? Hey, oh. Hey. Hey, it is ringing now. It is ringing. Obi pick now. Obi because they pick. Oh. Huh? You want to work here? Don't want easy. Huh? To get fine boy, no there is oh. Hey, nothing to happen to my Davido. Hey, oh, Obi pick now, pick is here. God please, my Davido, Obi mu, You know so you know they stay one place. I always say those bad boys where they for city, where they wear black and white. They say na police people. Me they no capture my Obi mu. Me they no capture my Obi. Obi pick is here, no pick here. Oh. Hey.
Let me get this gift today. Nobody.
Alicious, my friend, you know what? Take them easy.
Why you the hand over? You know, I been now travel again.
Hey.
You don't change your mind.
What thing I do for my office?
Well, in Nigeria we do. APC is allowed change. You don't change your mind.
I never change my mind. I tell me say I go travel. Let me call everybody me to say I go travel. Go to go see my nyarinya. But I never travel. And next week I go travel. Oh yeah, they go.
Come. Make I tell you. Help me one. Thomas.
Hey. Thomas again.
I go knock him.
My friend, wait, I will be Thomas now. Okay. I can't knock me. I be Thomas. Okay. I will be Thomas.
I'm not the least one.
I won't break up for my head.
I've been here that blood.
You be senior, I know.
You
be senior. Senior. Man, that's all for me. You got a hose. You got a dig. You got a hose. I had a go. You got a hose. You got a dig. No problem.
What am I?
No problem.
He
don't do no problem.
Okay.
They go, I know take a kaka. I go. No problem. They go. They go now. No problem. Never knock. God, I don't so far. Which can for over this? This person I know they drink for kai, but I they display fast where they take a for kai. I don't fulfill it, but I want the fast people fulfill it. Where I go hold this one now? At the first feet every day, this feet they increase. Which for over this God? I beg. If I bring a Humanyarinya, I wait Manyarinya won't pass through with this. Oh, problem. No problem. This one I they give a problem. The other one I go come back. I don't drink and finish. I go fall for water. They go call me. I go carry and come back house. I go feast food everywhere for inside house. My house they smell like festival I get them for small thickings. Huh?
Madu, wake up now. Madu.
Feast.
Yes.
Feast. Me first thing I do not come my gate.
No. It's Is my uncle not back?
My uncle? Are they waiting for my uncle by this time of the night? Today I be Friday now. My uncle and uncle once I dey for club. I dey club am with friends. I dey dance my zonto, skelewu, kukere, everything. I can't worry me. I call her for phone.
I did. His number is not connecting.
I call her for number I don't go. Today I be Friday. My uncle I go there for club. I go slave. My uncle I get him for my number. If I come back, if I know they forget, my uncle I go call me. I open and get. Where they go? They go. Good night. Yeah. Fine girl. Yeah. They walk out like Indomie. Yes I did. No one dey my sleep again. No. Over. This person I will come back again for this dream. Make I try and lock.
Madu, wake up.
Hi. Feast me again?
My uncle is still not back.
Why I dey find for this my uncle by this time of the night?
It's late now.
So if I marry na go dey worry for my husband? Yeah? If my body get as I dey do for me, if I no fit find my husband or find my friend or anybody, make I just for inside the fresh for computer game. If I no fresh and game, I watch am for African Magic. I watch am Jim Ike, watch am Sophia and everybody where they act for film for there. Or I feel Rihanna. My friend, they go inside. Why you can't worry me?
No, I'll wait for him.
I want to stay for this place, go.
Yes.
I go check a security cap.
No.
I don't want to take a security cap. No problem. Waiting make I even there for this place. Not because of my uncle. I did here because of that idiot where I call him my brother. That tonto. In fact, that's why by now I know say I go there for one quarter. I don't sleep and go gutter or table where I take the sell and something for market. I want to stay for this place, go.
Yes.
No problem. I take her for my.
I want to sit.
I want to stay for this place,
I
go.
want to wait for him.
I want to stay for this place. Yes. Take her for share no place. If I dare to make I bring her for my chair for me. I hear what I talk so.
Yes.
Say go be.
Miro, Igbo. Oh, are you the angel that God said will be waiting for me here? I see him. It is you, baby. Look, this is an opportunity for me. Ever since you came back from school, I will not marry you. Now, look, I even want to come and make a statement. Come and make a statement to your uncle. Telling him how to give me your hand in marriage in friendship.
Me?
Look, you have I'll marry you. I swear.
Wait.
I will marry you.
I wish to ask you something. Must you go high all the time?
So, I got high all the time. I drank. I enjoyed myself. I got intoxicated, but it did not enter my brain. It did not even block the love I have for you.
Over my dead body. I can't see myself having anything with a drunk like you. Dear Prince, let this be the very last time you stop me and talk nonsense. You don't even know your size anymore. Excuse me.
Am I done of this insult or this idiot? Gilbert, Lambert. Look at this guy that did face like boss wages. I was trying to help solve your problem. Where's this idiot, Gilbert and Albert? It's because of all this insult. Idiot. Look, girl, I'm interested in you and I'm coming for you. We are back. I'm here. I'm waiting for you.
Bros, you sent for me. I hope all is well.
You see, since you came back from school, I've been admiring God's creation in you. See, I must tell you that God created you on a good Sunday personally.
Thank you, bros.
And there is this private discussion and deliverance session I would like us to have in order to break every generational curses in your life and in your family.
Okay. When should I come?
You can come later in the night.
Alright, till then.
Okay, I'll be expecting you.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, the daughter of Zion. Come inside. Daughter of Zion, come. Come. I hope so you know the fear. No fear. You know say for my name they attach a friend, pastor, prophet, evangelist, Anthony. If you look here, you go see the combination of all those names which accompanies my name. Like here now you see the sign of the cross, and the other one that follows. That one signifies the Reverend Father in that one. Now the Bible that I'm carrying in my hand signifies the pastor and the evangelist. If you look at this one is called prayer candle. The prayer candle and the flower. Even this one if I do this Angel Michael, you go send that immediately. You go answer your prayer go just you answer sharp. If you look those ones they signify my prophetship. I'm the prophet. Like if you look at the name of my ministry, it says prophet one touch prayer house. As you don't come here now one touch. Now one touch, all those yama troubles where they hold you, when they over on your head, now one touch I go touch am, everything go just go. Now you can now sit down. Sit down, make I prophesy into your life. Sit. I also you know the fear. Also you know the fear. No fear. Because this place na house of God. Na house of God. You don't walk enter. As I'm looking at you now, I'm seeing before I prophesy I give you. As you are dressing now, is it not good? Is it not good now? Compared to those days that you've been wearing, that used to wear small skirts. Small skirt going around showing your body to every man, even those people that are not even supposed to be seeing it and be touching it and even be shopping it. All of them are shopping it. As I'm looking at you now, you have so many spirits following you. There is another spirit that makes you. That spirit that makes you. You like follow. You dey follow men. But after my deliverance today, even if you won't follow, you can come be men of God like me. We go protect you. And after that one again, I will come make you. Shall you be students? You be students for school. After my deliverance, you go see and say anywhere when you enter, everything will go smooth for you. Now, my deliverance will start. Come, just need that make I pray for you. Need that make I study deliverance, and I won't touch. Okay, you know the fear. Oh yeah, carry your hand go up. Carry your hand go up. Carry your go up where? If I pray, you say Amen. Amen means it is done. No look at Jesus. Open your mouth, friend. Daughter of Zion. Open your mouth. I know the like I go pursue you. Come on from here. Make I pursue you. Come on from here.
No.
Open your mouth. No look at Jesus.
Amen.
No look at Jesus.
Amen.
Make I study deliverance where we now. Make I study for your head. I want to study deliverance. So change your ready for my deliverance. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Are you closing your eyes? And Gabriel, he don't hear radio. He don't hear radio. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You don't close them? Yes. You don't close them? You don't close them? Close them. Close them. Wait. Close them. Wait. After this deliverance, all those yama spirits when they over round your head, I go command them and they go there. In fact, I go back them enter pit of hell. Say amen. Say amen. Say amen. Say amen. Amen. Every spirit of Macabum that is hovering on your head, every spirit of Papa, every spirit of Macabum, oh yeah, hear my voice now. Hear my voice now. It is working. It is working. It is working. Say amen. It is working. Say amen. It is working. Every spirit of Macabum, oh yeah, listen to me now. Come on, out. It is working. Oh, it is working. Now I want to come down to your shoulder. I want to come down to your shoulder. Every spirit that is giving you heavy load on your shoulder. Today, I want to push all of them come up from your shoulder. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every spirit on this shoulder, try to possess her, making her to feel heavy. Oh yeah, come on. Daughter of Zion, carry your hand go up. Carry your hand go up. Now, I want to descend down to your chest. Every spirit that makes men, when they see you, they want to be following you. Today, I will command that spirit. Are you ready? Now lift up your hands. Lift up your hands. Lift up your hands. Oh yeah, I am commanding it. I want to command it. Let's see it. Come on. Lesusu. Now I want to come down to your waist. In fact, stand up, daughter of Zion. Stand up. I want to go down to that side. Every spirit that is making you, when you want to be walking, it will be as if something is on your waist. Today, I want to command it. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Are you ready? Are you ready? Close your eyes. The spirit is getting angry. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. This is deliverance, so I'm doing something serious and you are here looking at me. Do you want the spirit to slap your eyes? No. They go wash you. The spirit go wash you. Oh yeah, close your eyes. Every spirit of this waste, trying to make you not to make you they perform they give anybody when you see. Instead of making they perform they give only pastor like me. I'm going to convert it from your body now. Are you ready? Are you ready to receive it? Are you ready to receive it? I'm coming with full force, with full force. Full force from God heaven. And the market is accompanying me. And the Ure is accompanying me. They are coming with me. Oh, yeah, receive it now. Receive it now. Receive it now. Yeah! Raka! Lesusu! I want to give you another one that will now follow you to your school where you are studying. Every spirit now, when they that waist there, when God make your waist, can't they heavy you? You never carry your waist, they heavy you. You want to turn your waist your waist, they heavy you. You want to do this way, they heavy you. And that's because they make you, they share, they give everybody. The any man when you see, they share, they give. It's not make it come, they give only me. You can't they give every other man when you see. Now I want to come out time. Are you ready? Oh yeah, receive it now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Carry your hand, go up, wait. Carry your go up, wait. Receive it. Receive it. Let's say Lesusu. Say Lesusu. 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 Daughter of Zion. This spirit is strong. This one when they there is strong. And I need to do am again, so that the spirit it go run comot. He's about to come out. He don't raise up his head, but he wants to come out now. Now I want to use another style now to come out the spirit from your body. Carry your hand. You turn your back. Turn face that side. This is white girl. That white cloth there signifies purity. Face up. Face up. You don't face up. You don't face up. You don't face up. Today I command every power. Every power there. Receive it. Receive it now. Receive it. Daughter of Zion, bro. Daughter of Zion. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? You talk, man. You're feeling it.
If you don't sure, make it tell me. Oh,
this compound.
Okay, how much be your money?
Give me 300 naira.
Wait till 200 naira. Why they look now?
What's your money? What is this one?
Oga, take your money, John. Take your money. Me, for my village, where I coming from, 30 naira. If you got 30 naira, finish.
Yeah, don't be your village now. 200 you will.
Oga, take your money now.
I know they take 100 naira. That's 200 you will.
200 naira. No, they look me, not look me, my bless.
I never see bread before. Give me one money.
Take, they go.
Thank you.
They go.
You try. Thank you.
200 naira.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, they go. They go. They go. They go. They go. They go.
You don't hear the sleep. Person won't break our gate. You go tell me say I no get swag. Now because I get swag, that's why he say person don't know. You dey here to sleep. Open there to.
My friend, come out from here. I tell you how they sleep. Somebody. Who are the press for that place? I want break up for this guy. Who are you?
What is wrong with you? I mean, I've been knuckling since.
I want break up for my gate. What's the matter with you? My friend, come on, go back. Who are the people? I want break up for this gate.
Me, I've been knuckling since. You not open. Anyways, where's my debito? My obim?
Ha, nyarinya. I'm check out this now. Wait, make I look out for my gate. I want break up for my body. Nyarinya, welcome.
What is wrong with you now? Huh? What is wrong with you now? Where's my obim? My debito?
Madam, I don't forget. But I tell them everybody waiting for this confront. Say I dey go. Say somebody who find Nyarinya from my village and they come see me. Now if Nyarinya go, you don't get problem. You don't get problem, madam. You're welcome.
So where my obim? Where obi moves flat? Where my obim? Me, I want to see my obim.
I don't forget, madam. If I climb on for home state, yeah, the first flat by my left, now the first, madam. What did I bring on for us? Look, I see. Catch him!
Hey! The one on you go. So I'm not cooking the big man. I'll cook him and
But that's important.
Hey!
So I don't pick catch up for that foul.
Yeah, Aboki. I'll be long cookwa. Kuna manjidemu. Hey! See, make I tell you, eh? You saw Coco. You come. You come. You.
Hey!
Akoko. Even you will be like, where do they use the charge for my village? Where do they use they do sacrifice for my village? Now you know if you catch common foul. Huh? Okay? You say there, come there, look, the foul come run away. Huh? You know if you catch common foul. Go catch them, because that foul now waiting me, I want you to cook better insala soup for my obi. Go catch him. If you not catch that foul, you go hear me. You go hear say I don't come in to this city. Huh?
Manas, no problem. I will catch him. I will tell him for me say foul there inside. Eh?
Go catch him. Go catch him. See your mouth like alligator. Go catch him.
Madam, take a minute. There's a son of my brother. You know me.
Anyways, which one be my obi moves flat?
I don't do. I will catch him for the foul. If I follow like this, climb up for upstate. If I reach up for upstate, I take up my left. The first pallet, not the place.
Go catch him.
No problem.
See what they do.
No problem.
Alligator. Go catch him. If you not catch him, if you not catch that foul,
All this village, yes, they get a problem. How first you go catch him for foul? Bring him for a full foul. Put him for inside the bag like this. No food, no air, no water, nothing.
Imagine. So you get here. This girl doing something, brother. Yeah, flesh and blood. Flesh and blood.
I Chris.
Say,
who be my flesh?
My spec in the top. Don't want to swag, they come. I go carry you to swag.
My friend, shut up.
So, you see to like, see, I resemble something where they do sacrifice.
First of all, make I answer my question. I know be my flesh, I know be my blood.
Sure.
Both of us are not be the same. Secondly, to answer my question again, the answer to my question is yes. I be like what I take to do sacrifice. I don't know. As I just right there alive, my friend, listen. Make I take on this way, I go take on like this. Don't go find out for this foul, catch him before the foul guy escape. Enter that confront. And they follow like this. My friend, come go catch him for this foul. And they go sit down for no problem. I don't want a problem. All this village guys, I don't want a problem.
Hey!
No wahala.
Me, I like shoes. Sacrifice. Hey! God, why now? Why now? Me, where can swag? They say I be like sacrifice. But if they say my mother and my father they are alive now, I for ask them whether the father where father them don't serve to shoot. Whether na me be the truth. But no, I be human being created by God. Yes, I get swag. My swag too much.
Obimo. Obimo.
You like him, Abi? You don't see more. Now hear your Obigide the hustle. You better, as you don't come city soon now, at least you go see how things they happen. You see that house where you see so. Now that place all of us they hustle. They pray me things for better tomorrow. Then what's it again? No be happiness.
Obimo. Obim, understand you very well. You know say they not tell madman he say what not starting. Eh?
So you they claim say now you know go tell me say work don't start.
Obimo.
No wahala, just eat. May we go inside, go discuss family matter now. I know say I don't miss you. I've been faithful all this while.
Obimo.
I drink up. Wait, make her eat. My baby you be.
Hello. Ben. Reverend, prophet, evangelist, pastor Anthony on the line. If you want prayer, if you need prayer, say 1. For counseling, say 2. For testimony sharing, you can say 3. And important one, don't forget that one. If you need our account number, you can say 4 because it is the important one there. I think say you want to say 4. But not the same, all of them join. At the same ministry for our Lord Jesus. Okay. Who am I speaking with? I can remember the man I prayed for through the phone last month. Hey, you can start coming to the office right away. I'll be in the office waiting for you. Hey, be fast, oh, make it fast. I'll be waiting. Okay, okay, bye for now. Olúwa, èṣé o. Mo you don't go. You have done it for me again. You will do it for me again. You have been doing it for me. I know you will never leave me alone.
Yeah, Anthony. You know that is love.
I better make you help me lock out.
As your boy. Where this one from? Wait it. Why you dey shout that? No other person than Ifo God now. Who they use band? Now you get church, or me go use band. Now Ifo God. This thing take fine, sir.
Make you drop am. Make you keep am. Make you drop am. Make you drop am. Never bless am now.
Guy, mind yourself.
Make I tell you as David take surprise us furnish all this house. Now so God take use person. Go use someone come bless my ministry. He can't give me this set of band, and not even only set of band. He can't give me a bunch of money worth 200,000 naira. 200,000. Make you no come close. Now so from today onwards, my ministry don't move to permanent site. If they move to permanent site, very very. Make you come up for here.
Hey, oh yeah, make I dey go. Oh yeah, kite down Europa. Oh yeah, I don't break you. Oh yeah, make I go. Kai, I'm for when I did for Ghana, eh? Ghana is sweet. Who I be? Which facing I look get up? My friend never swallow for my gate. I don't get up for questions. Ugala at the home.
Fool! Where have you been?
Ugala Lord.
Come on, close the gate.
No problem.
Close the gate!
No problem.
Useless boy.
No problem.
So, what is your cap? What is your security cap? What is your cap?
I put your water.
Idiot.
I put your water.
No wonder. I think I'm paying you for nothing. Look at the compound where you are taking care. Look at the compound and trusted under your care. Little with rubbish. Huh? What have you been doing here? So I've been paying you for nothing here. Huh? Wait. Don't even send him fast.
No frivolous.
Where is this boy again? Where is he? I've been calling his number and he's not connected. Huh? Anyway, I don't care to know whether he is around or not. Huh? All I know is that boy don't know how I managed to get the money I used to live in this house. He wouldn't have gotten the animal guts to be owing me for 3 sound years.
Oga landlord, never vex. I said Oga Kevin, they owe me for 3 years.
Idiot, you're asking me. Are you asking me?
Oga, this is my question why I ask her like this. Only me I ask her for question. Only me I answer for myself. This question I fell into you. But Oga landlord, I never hear I say Kevin, I don't come up for this place. I tell me, say, this boy I keep up for this house. Every time I go come back, I carry for computer. First, I don't carry for one computer. I don't get her for 2. I don't get her for 3. Now, 4 computer. I the first time Yahoo every night I go on her for Jen. Jen I go do quick. Every morning I don't sleep. I finish. I go do like this. The first time I go fuck her for phone. I they make her for call. I don't go come up for Ghana. Okay? I don't go for Ghana.
Come. So you mean to tell me that your useless self was stuck down on this seat, watching Kevin back out of my house? Huh?
Okay, I never forgot finish. I forgot. I go for Ghana. I didn't for Ghana now. But I get up people where I come. I say I be my friend. The other person I say I be my brother. The other person I say I be my relative. In fact, okay, 3 of them are they stay for this house. And not telling me, if say I tell her for me, say these people, and not let me know. You see those 3 boys, I for carry person for my head. Who bought her for this compound, okay? They stay. Okay, this I tell me.
So you call yourself my staff and you get yourself, your rubbish self, stuck in this seat and watch my tenant pack out of my house and sublet the house to other people without my knowledge and proper consultation. You are a fool. You deserve to die first. Wait. When next I come here again, it will be fire for fire. No progress. You will be number 1.
Okay, I won't fire.
I will start with you.
I won't fire me.
Idiot. Leave come through. Okay. Leave now. Come open this gate.
No progress. Okay, never fire person, please.
I will make sure you
No problems. Because I wear her for new clothes. My new clothes I wear, I'm not even button her for my clothes. I want to tell me, I go fire me. Give her for me, fire for fire. Me, I talk and say, somebody they owe me for 3 years. I don't pay me my salary. Every time I will come for here, I don't put her money for house rent. I don't put her money for my salary. No problem. Since I take her for something, I knock her for my head. I want they make me, I dey 4 for grand. I be Vanda, sir. I dey 4 for grand like first why they catch her for football. Even if I Vanda, sir don't fall like that. Which club Vanda, sir? They are there for chasing. My friend, I don't forget myself. Vanda, sir. Oh, myself, sir. Yo, Oga landlord. Make those 3 idiots come back for this house. So I dey live for this house, I know they pay house rent to go. I go carry first for my head, come up for here. If I'm not going to come out, I dagwa somebody. This is Oga landlord and for my head, I go dagwa somebody for Nyash. I don't for the far guy. Confirm. This is my boss. Make I keep on for this. These people, since I never chop up for food, nobody go come for this place. I leave her for fillet. I not go wash her for fillet. If I lash I even wash her for fillet. I go take her for my feet. I put her for inside. The other one, I know they even wash her for anything. Now only me I go do her for security. Only me I go bring her for money. Only me I go to wash her for fillet. No problems. Make I come back one chop. I go chop my dead body. I'm over. This one, yawa. This is my gas. I don't dey finish. Yawa, I dey work. I dey work. Confirm. Conflate. Make I put up. My lighter, make I put up for pocket. You think I smoke up for cigar? This faithful go. This faithful. How facing I go get up from two brothers. Two brothers. No one I dey bring up for money. Money I know they bring up. School I know go. Work I know get. I go come for this place. I go balance. I dey chop up for food. They chop up for food. They chop up for food. In fact, if I chop up for this food finish today, I go chop up for my dead body. In fact, if I don't get up for one person, I go get up for. In fact, if I don't get up for the conflict too, I get up for one person. Anyhow, we say how. Somebody I will die today for this house. Make I die for what? People I there for this place. I know they think how I want to take and get up for my own family. Go come out for my house. I don't go come out for my house. I go take up my salary. We landlord and they owe me for 4 months now. I never pay me. I go take up for my salary. I go verify for food. I go chop my food, bring up money. I no go bring up for money. I lashes. I dey suspect that boy. I know as I be like basically most get people I dey give up for money. I go dey save up for my money. I no go bring up. The other person I will get up for money. If I bring up for money, I drink up for kai. I go call up for gutter. Anytime I cause a problem, they go call up for me. No problem. This is my sugar. Yawa. Before I go kill her for me, make I first support chop her for my own. Confirm. I better make a die come out. Eating a hot and plenty. Yawa. This one I will remain now for me. If I want, I will chop her for this one. This one, if I chop and finish, I will die. Make a die come out for this life. Okay, but to God, nobody they have say I won't kill her for my brother. But God, I better say I no create her for facing. That's why I create her for facing where I did have. I don't conflict, and I dey cause her for problems. God, forgive me. But make I kill her for me, make I just die. Conflict for life. See me. I don't dey clock her for 40 years. Faking, I no get. My Nyanija why dey for Sokoto, I never go bring her back. And I say I get her for brothers. I know they help me. Make her come. Make her put her. Make her leave her for soup for this place. Gary, I go there for this place. I turn her well, go. Yawa. Conflict. This time, I will teach me why they call out for me Mado, the only professional evil one that stay in the northern part of this country. I deal with Boko Haram. Now this is my small brothers. I don't go feed deal with Boko. I go put up for rat poison. If I put up for inside, I go chop them. I go die come out for this life. Make I know say I no get up for any value for my life again. Faithful like the book. That's no problem. No problems. No problems. Foolish faithful. This one, if I no get up for one facing, if I no get up for the two, I go get up for one facing. But listen, I feel no catch up for these boys. So these boys are they behave like rats. Listen, sometimes if I put up for something for that, it's an rubber for my hand. But I don't mistake, I put up for my mouth. No problems. I feel not only catch up for soup. Make I see put up for Gary. I go show me say, na me, I be my senior brother. I get up for sense. Pass everybody for this place. Nambanza. Yawa. The thing I don't conflict. I don't go around the bar. I don't go around compel it. Yawa, make I tune him before I go see him. This one, I confirm. The Gary I confirm. Yawa, confirm. Make I chop up. If I eat and finish, I go die. I go chop up for the body. I'm facing and get up for brothers. Brother, I know the help for facing. Make I keep up, but make I put up for water. No problem. Man, leave up for me. See, everywhere, just the very squatter. I don't go clean up for house. I don't go sweep up for anything. Make I go back for my gates. Foolish brothers. I call up for myself, say, I'm my brother.
Exactly. My Smolly. You look very pretty. Hey, I don't say you must surely come down. That is why I'm here waiting for you. See, my Smolly. As soon as I'm done opening my ministry fully, and as soon as I'm done incorporating it, now you won't make my choir mistress.
Wow. Like seriously?
Like yes, so. Like yes, so. You know, say the Bible says that to whom much is given, much is also expected.
Because that will not do for Bible.
Don't forget, say I'm your pastor, and I know more than you. Anything where I talk, anything where I talk for this full world, no say that so God talk am.
Okay. But just quote on the Bible where it's written so that I can read up on my own now, you know, since I'll be working with you soon.
I don't hear. Go see wahala. No problem. Okay. So long as you've agreed to work with me.
Alright.
Okay now.
This one got the forecast. Mud, you cook. Oh, let me live. Hey, Mama. Hey, Chineke, see, come. Hey, Mad. That is why I call you my elder brother. This one, Mad. Chineke, Mad package everything for us, for me alone. Make I show. I go eat food today. Make I go eat before that useless boy go come back. Hey, Mama. Hey. Hey. I go enter here. Hey. Mama, only me Jackie
Hey! That's not my matter. Don't do the food anyhow. This is afternoon food. I know people like you will come. Idiot. Look, before you do anything, they have told me. Come on.
Don't tell me.
Are you stupid? Are you the one that prepared it? I prepared it off there before I come here.
Hey.
Stupid idiot.
Now you prepared the food.
Are you mad? Must you put this your stupid saliva here?
Sorry. Come, Peter. Okay. This one will matter. Package this food like this. If I said they don't pay him this month salary.
Look, I'm not interested in that. All that matters to me is how to, you see this food, how to put it inside my stomach. Do you hear me? If you like, let him provide. If you like, let him not provide. All I know that he is the senior. He must provide for the juniors.
See, what if man no come then come?
It is your turn to provide for me now. You are my senior brother. Are you not my senior brother?
Mama, you not get conscience of him. With my condition.
Okay.
I go provide food for you. I go knock you. I go knock you.
Thunder fire you. You are an idiot. Is that you know that you are disfigured? You will get well by fire by force. I'm helping you to eat food. I don't need it, sir. Let me persecute myself.
Okay, don't worry. Baby, now I be say you go chop blood poison. They wait for me. Make I provide food. Useless woman.
You not provide. You poison me. You don't know that. Get ready from time I've come. Once this mother died, I do not provide food for me. I will give you. I'll become the first son because you first died. Then you the next. I will become the first son.
Okay, now wait. You know say mother, no my senior brother.
Yeah.
Now you go first me die now because.
Why did you bring this boy to torment my life? Look at saliva everywhere.
Okay,
get ready. I will donate you to Dozier Shrine. It must not start this year.
It's finished.
Are you stupid?
They go. I connect you. Connect you. Say, Mama, connect. Say.
What are you doing?
Come inside.
Don't fire you. I said it. You don't know. I said it. I am. Pass it. Pass it. Come on, man.
Okay.
What is wrong with you? Now play now.
You don't get contest. You don't see my condition.
Don't fire you. That's a situation.
Come carry the pot.
Idiot.
Come on.
I told you that I was the former footballer.
It's a lie.
I was the former footballer. Come on, bro. Don't wear me short.
Come, collect the phone.
You can't dribble me.
Come.
Wait, let me jack jump. I need some power.
Okay. You what?
I am download. Alright, I am ready. Thank you. Ariana, today is a great day. Thank you. I told you, your ball cannot pass me.
See, I can change my name.
To what?
To Michael Opi. But Michael not the same music. Now what did the best me?
See, God, let me tell you. What you answer is maybe rope to commit suicide. Because this is time to commit suicide. This kind of food, I don't want to short it again for you.
Come on, make I tell you. You see me? Now me picture no pin. Michael, he making.
Shift. Shift before you are fighting me with
it.
If you try nonsense, I will kill you.
Okay, now go collect the phone.
I get that.
You don't go for more contest.
I said it.
You don't go for more contest. You want for me?
Why would that for you?
You want for me?
Woman animal.
You not see my condition. You not get swap.
Am I the cause of your condition?
You not get swap.
My eye.
Because what? Mama.
I said it.
Hey!
I said it.
Don't worry. I know what I go do.
Wait. This call for foul. In my head. Oh no. Where is it? Go.
No penalty you commit.
Stay there one.
Come out.
Come out.
Thomas.
Leave my leg. My leg is going up.
You do penalty.
Leave my leg, you want?
Thomas, you do penalty.
Leave my leg.
You do penalty.
I will kill somebody.
You not it.
If my leg go up, I carry my body.
I don't want to make my leg push.
Hey! Set the body. This is your dessert for life.
I connect you now. The place. Hey! See that? Hey!
Oh yeah. You know, I see head now.
It's not Ronaldo. This is Ronaldo. Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo.
I am Ronaldo.
Okay, you know, sir, the thing.
I choke him. I choke him. This voice. This faithful, I know be a human being. My father, I choke him. This faithful, where I call us I brothers. I know be a human being. I go born for ghosts, keep up for me, born for juju. This faithful, I feel like I don't they take her for small flower. But on this boy, where I say I of the juju go. How somebody go chop up for food where I prefer for me? I put a poison. Put a poison. Flat a poison. So if once I chop up, I will just die serious. This faithful, I don't die. And they suspect for Gozier. And my father, that's my home. I want for every Pekin. I take all my Pekins, I go donate for shrine. Other faithful, I go honor for Pekin. It's either I take up for Sesamos or I take up. I carry me, I go for church. This one I take up for Juju. This one I come border for Juju everywhere. See this one. Faithful where I chop up for poison. Where I suppose don't die. Now me I call the jump off. They do not for John Michael people.
Ogoshina, thank you for the food. We believe for us. See me now. I guess work. No worry. Come, make I tell you. No save my blood. I'm not gonna kill you. Come now. My blood. Mad. I like it, yeah. My senior blood. Mad. They give me food while they chop. Madam! How outside people they call her?
No problem. Agweshi go. I call her Agweshi. Agweshi I don't go fellas. Agweshi na go. I
go knock you now. Thank you, yeah. Thank you for the food. You try well. Hey, my other blood.
You don't thank her.
Go thank him now.
Let me just give her one of my blessings. Madu. Take her for 5. I don't want to take it. No problem. It is not that you have shown that you are really the senior brother. Anytime you say you are the senior brother, I will not obey you. Can you imagine? I came here and I saw the food. We digested it and I used my liquor to brush it down and everything went. Look, if we have been doing like this, I would have rented one of the ambassadors that look like this boy and give you as your wife. But not the same. Thank you, man. Take it. Thank you, man. More of this. We are grateful. If you will be doing like this, I will be loyal to you. I will not know that you are my senior brother. Now I am well loaded. I use my quick eye shot and subtract everything. Thank you.
Thank you, my brothers.
Clap for the football. Give me football. Keep coming. Hey! I want to kill him.
You don't know how to put.
They go. Come out. Go take her for my wife. Go. If I wife, I go take her for ball.
Give me my phone.
Go for it. Go that side.
Hey, give that. Don't from me back.
I'll go back.
What is that? I will use this thing for ritual. You.
What in this person I give up for me? Make I put up for these boys. I tell me say if I chop us, I go die serious. My face I get up for mine. I don't chop up. See fillet. See water, see everything, I chop up. First why I eat her for poison, I put the jump off. Like first why I drink her for local set boss. Like first why I take her for local set boss, and first why I take her for action vita. Hi! My father, I don't want her for Fikino. My falan, I don't fail. Wait. This man I tell him for me, say this thing I will walk. I tell why I don't kill her for me. I tell why I don't kill her for me. When I tell her, say I get her for 2 brothers, why I did this over for me? I say if I put up, if I know I will tell her for dossier. But if I tell her dossier, this voice I beat her for dossier. I took her say this faithful why I they go for dossier shrine. I they give her for cola, I they chop. This one I they take her from Kai for dossier, I they drink her for, I they chop her for meat for dossier flesh. Dossier I don't give her. I take why I give her something. Where this boy I for just die come out. Dossier I for work her for. This one I pay me. See people chop for poison and they play football. Mikel of you are feeling like this. Even Rooney, I never run like this. Even first I take her for local post, I never begin to chop off like this. This for 1 I fail go, for 2 I no go fail.
Young lady, what are you doing here?
Pastor called me for a private counseling and choir rehearsal.
Choir rehearsals? I don't understand. As the choir master of the church or what? And why in the bedroom?
Who am I to question the authority of my spiritual father? He said he was led by the Holy Spirit that the choir rehearsal and private counseling will be taking place right here in his room.
Hey! So you cannot question the authority of your pastor. Better picking. No. You've just spoken like a good child. Like better picking, Abi. Look, it is only time that is going to tell the truth about this your so-called counseling and prayers in men's room. So your common sense cannot let you know that you are not supposed to be holding a rehearsals in the bedroom. Counseling indeed. Like I said, the truth will come out. We are going to see. Counseling indeed. I mean, you started ministry into one small girl. Prophet! How many times did I call you? I when they cry the sea road. I the sea road. You know hear me? I the sea road.
Baby, I don't understand what you are talking about though.
How do you then know what I am talking about and where I'm going to? Look, I came in here earlier today and I saw a girl practically lying on the bed. On our bed.
Hey. Point of correction. Not on our bed. Hey, that bed. Have you forgotten that that bed? I'm staring that bed with Dozie and David. And that girl that you are claiming that you saw on that bed, she could be either David or
Shut that your stinking dirty mouth. You lying two-timing bastard. Oh, you think she did not tell me, right? You think she did not tell me? She told me that you were actually the one that invited her for counseling and choir rehearsals. Yes! And I begin to wonder if you are now the new sanctuary's choir master. Prophet, don't try me. Don't just try. Don't dare me. It's like you don't even know me. You don't even know that part of me. That is why you want to step on my toes.
Baby, you know I cannot try such a thing. I cannot sit on you. And besides, you are the love of my life.
I beg I hear what? I cannot sit on you. See, I don't tell you finish. Oh. Me, I need to take nonsense. I be no nonsense person. No try.
Hey, who are you putting eyes for sense? Because as they keep you quiet, you can't open your eyes. They shout on me.
I don't go shout.
Oh yeah, open your eyes.
I don't go shout.
Shout on me. See, no they start from you, and no they start for this out. Make you go and blow your eye. Blow your eye, no they start. Go ahead, no they start. No they start for here.
I go shout for you.
No they start for here.
Yeah, in my house.
I don't want you. See, if you are tired of shouting, make you walk out and go your house. Because me, I don't get your time. They shout, mad woman.
Come here. Just come back. Come back here. Come and explain. Come and explain why that girl was lying down there. You hear me?
No provoke me. Not just provoke me, not just push me to the wall, no. Because if you push me to the wall, I go curse you your fourth generation. Your fourth generation, I go come. In fact, I go come on fire from heaven. The fire go come consume you. See how you be.
Look at that one fire. Even if you draw down fire, that fire is not going to be effective because you are a sinner. Are you a real man of God? The man of God is sleeping with all the girls in the sanctuary? Come and explain though. Come here! Come here!
Where you going?
Make sure say no be that last minute you want go carry on. No one collect soup.
In the go kitchen, come clean soup, come come up for you. Why you come the kind soup, come come up?
Yeah, my man. Let's say you know go down now.
Hello.
What's happened now?
Hey, no be if you bring a home here. I make you see a home job.
You don't reach your own line, don't you? Share this.
If you take a missing now.
No, say this biscuit bowl, they enter well. Catch you there. Who be this man? Now your church member.
No.
I mean, doesn't find come.
Come. Who are you? Because I can't remember giving or renting my house to any of you. I even learned that you have turned my house into a spiritual place, the meeting point of heaven and hell.
Hey, landlord, that one no come be the reason why you go come they follow from backyard, they come for a person's house. See front door, and when you suppose they follow, you come they follow back, they come person's house.
Shut up your mouth! That is why in my compound there is a church, and in the same compound a shrine, and at a very close look, one may even discover that you are erecting mosque somewhere. But I don't blame you. You are clever boys. Because church and shrine is the most lucrative business in Nigeria now. But what I want to inform you is that from now, my house rent is no longer what it used to be. It is now from 20k to 50k every month. Yes! It's not the same thing. Now listen to me. I don't even want to care what you mean, but I'll be coming here in the next 2 days. And by the time I reach here and my money is not ready, I'm going to employ you both. I'm going to employ both EFCC, ICPC, Aworo, and SARS. Come with me and bundle people into jail where you will rot. Are you hearing me? So keep my money ready. What I'm saying is that you will rub my back and I will rub your own. 50-50 check per month. Assemble them. Bundle it and come. Boys, I love you. I love your husband. Keep the spirit high. Keep it high. Keep it high. Keep it high. Hey, you no go talk now. You see the landlord come carry the bit come out now. You no go fit do anything, no. You can't fear am.
Just say that landlord that be caretaker with this.
Why I go fear am? Why are you bothered about the meat? No be my meat.
Wow.
It's still plenty for pot now. And this one where you take now, it don't make me get control over him. Any pararam I go finish him. This ain't the landlord, I mean. Before God. You want to talk because come on, chop the one.
Hey, may you come for name, my friend.
Hey, come. When you mention SARS, I say as your face check, your mood change automatically.
Nobody like waiting no make sense now. This thing they sound one bad thing for in life.
From Bele you hate SARS. Now so your papa and nanny brothers and boys. Take.
I know they like this kind of thing.
Make you know the talk. See now, come water, you can't leave for person. Make person drink water now.
That one where you carry na fake.
Make you see the meat, make you see the meat.
Maybe this one, what too much?
Bros, since the first day I set my eyes on you, I knew you wanted me so badly, but I just maintained. See, in your eyes, I might be a small girl, but in my heart, I'm a very big girl.
Like, I don't see him. Now today I believe I say, you know be small girl. I dey look you say you be small girl before, but now today you teach me say you know be small girl.
And I hope you and Sister Charity know they run things.
Nibo, for where? Wetin concern elephant concern yam. See, me with Sister Charity we no get anything in common. No. She's just only my sister in the Lord. Nothing else.
Okay, make I believe you. Cause me, I dey quick vex, and when I vex, na raw acid I dey pour the offender and the accomplice.
Yeah.
No just say there's love in sharing dey my dictionary. E no dey make I tell you. I no wan share my banana with any monkey. You dey hear wetin I dey tell you? Cause if you make me angry, as e dey hot, na you go dey collect am o.
Abeg, he never reach like this, abeg. He never reach like this. No forget say I be anointed servant of God. And Bible talk say, touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Abeg. He never and I know they like one person they act before he think. It no make sense at all. No go there.
Yeah, I don't tell you my own.
I know say that joke you dey joke. I know say you dey joke. And I know say you like my thing. You like am well. Come, I want give you another one. This one I want give you. They call am return match. I want give you return match. And I know say my thing they make your dada dey scatter. Oh yeah, come on, let me give you another one now. Woo, yeah.
Once again, I want to thank you for the good luck charms. The contract has been granted unto me. It has been awarded to me. And I'm here to appreciate you once again. I'm here with the sum of 1 million naira. I have check. It's not in cash because I couldn't go to the bank to get the cash. So please, bear with me.
This is the beginning of your testimony. He say, anybody that crosses your line will die.
He say,
as you can see, the gods are with you.
Yes,
watch. Look around. Look around. They are here with you.
He say,
anybody that wants you dead will die before you.
He say,
you are an honorable member of the house. Good.
Anu ga-eju gị na ekene.
Take as many bottles as you can take. Onyangocha mwebu mbuna yono. Because of my 5 fathers, I've done it again. As you don't carry them, come here, so anything we hungry them, you give them.
That's all.
If milk hungry them, you give them milk.
If drink hungry them, you give them. Even cow, meat, they give them anything. That's a miracle now.
If you correct guy,
I didn't tell you so now. This one was happy now.
The man just came to my shrine and dropped 500,000 naira. Give the bill. Once I tell the person the problem, ne put up him name 500 at that bill.
You know, say I shouldn't be here eating devilish things with you now. Because light and darkness, they know they cross together. May you come off your hand, come on your hand from here. But you know, say the Bible talks say in everything we should give thanks to God. Now make me one day I want to congratulate you for your achievement with your gods. You know, easy. Make with the shop.
Tell her, make you know. Tell her one day make you bring person here though. Now that one my matter dey so. May no tell you. Don't say bring human head.
And then your head you go come bring now.
You know the one with the fear me. You dey be like miracle. Before me go do one thing or the other, before I go tell yeah. They don't show me the person problem. Before the person go enter my shrine, yeah, I don't see the problem.
Just like that.
Just like that.
You know what
and if I tell him, he go be like say, I know him. Why?
You know what you go do? They buy suya for them every night. You see what you
do. Thank you, my brother.
Suya, they go like her.
Anybody will carry wahala come before the person go come. I don't see him. I don't see everything. They guide me. They give me way.
So you speak for your mouth.
I thank the gods of my land though.
You can't speak for your mouth. They can't guide me. They can't give me way. They can't guide me. They can't give me way. They can't give me way. They can't give you way.
If I get something serious, make I tell me. Make I go straight to my point. You know, say I come out from my gate to come for this place because I said the problem. I be life and death, what?
Yes.
Or you go straight and tell them for my problem now before I come out from here.
Yes, sir.
It's a matter of life and death, though. In fact, you know, we're human beings. The things we do, either we do them alive or we call them die. And again, if
Alicious, tell her for me, make her come out.
I want Mali. Yes.
So I want to for waiting.
I want Mali.
I want
Mali.
Hey, God, I don't suffer for my life. In fact, you see my ear, I clean them very well. I pretend as if I know hear for waiting I talk. Go, I say I won't marry.
Yes.
Now for this my small security house, I won't bring her for the woman. I won't go rent her for my own house. And the girl I say I won't marry, I don't say her for the girl.
Yes, now.
I don't say her for the girl.
I know, that's the way they see this.
As I did so, now I don't say her for woman I won't marry. The girl I conflict.
Kill. Hey, Chineke. You go call. I don't tell you go call.
Now my head I go follow. Because I know say as I did so. If I want marry, I go bring her for imbecile like me. I go call her come for this family of imbecile. But no frivolous. This girl, why I say I want marry? The girl are from where? And the girl I go school? Or I get her for handwork? Which of them are they do? I will go carry her for somebody why I know say I don't get her for work. Can't keep her for here. I want the supper again.
Madu, I don't remember to ask me this question now. This question now where they ask me. I don't remember to ask her. But no problem. Now for them I dey see Dikeh. Now for them.
I said
now for them I dey see Dikeh. No problem. No last time I go see him again for my claim. I go remember to ask all these questions and I go carry the info. God give you.
Thunder go fire my head. So now because of this nonsense I won't talk her for me. Now I telling me I leave her for my gate. Come this place go. Say I see her for woman for dream. Now I come here, when they disturb me, I don't say I want marry for Karashika for. Karashika don't decide to come back, say I want to visit her for me. I want marry for spiritual wife. No problem.
Now go back. I catch you. Close it.
I love.
What is it about this?
Everything I do.
Every day is on the thief. One day.
Somebody I cheat.
You never know that I will catch you today. Look at you. See, look at what you do. Look at my compound where it is.
I know say.
Look at how my compound is. Very dirty. Why am I even paying you? Am I not paying you for nothing, Madu? Huh?
Who will blame her for me? Me, I be one person. I can't be my guard for this filleting compound. I get her for filleting department for this compound. Oga, people, I dey throw away pure water. I dey chop for suya, I dey throw away newspaper. I dey chop for shawarma, I dey chop for barbecue, I dey throw away everything, Oga.
Shut up.
I just come out say make I go buy her for something I go take and cool my body together. I know say every work, I no play. I wake up for Mado, just security officer, Oga.
Don't stand there. This referrals in the name of my tenants.
Oga, I can give up my salary. I never know say which person I dey look for.
Where are these three small boys? Those 3 idiots. Where are they?
Oga, come. I dey call them those boys, small boys. Those boys are not be small pikin, Oga. Those boys I don't get am for money. Money I don't flaunt, Oga. The money where those boys I get am, Oga. One light and Allah, I swear. Those boys I will take and buy am from me for this house, Oga.
Mature. Shut up your mouth and shut it up permanently. Do they know how much a block is sold in the market? Useless nincompoop. Now listen to me. Just tell them that I was here. And that the next I will set my foot upon this compound. Let them make sure that my money is intact. My money is complete and intact. Otherwise, I will get the police and arrest everybody in this compound, including you.
I will arrest her for me. What did I do for me, Oga?
Until I come.
Are they owe me and never fail me? I want to arrest her for me.
Until I come.
But Oga, no vex. I won't ask her for question. Oga, somebody I talk her for something. I say my brother, now me I get her for this house. My small brother, I get her for this house. Me will be your landlord. I can't kill her for my brother. I can't take her for my brother wife. I can't take her for my brother house. Oga too.
Now listen. Outside. Listen.
Oga don't kill her for what? Oga.
Listen. Outside. Listen. If I hear this thing outside,
no problem.
I will just skin you alive.
No problem, Oga.
Idiot, sack you.
Oh. Hey,
get out of here.
No problem. No problem, Oga. People like talk and say when I hear this thing, say I go provoke. Say I go vex am. But Oga, no vex. I won't ask. Why I dey ask her, we say I won't know so that when I go come for this place, make I know as I will take receive her for my pension. I don't dey grow old and I go soon get her for wife.
Run!
No problem. Let me come back. I don't forget. I never forget. This faithful. I don't forget. I joke. This thing faithful. I joke. This man, I be killer. Say you hold on for my ear. I won't cut up for my ear. Did I don't forget? I show I never forget. The other day I like a stick for him. Today I won't cut up for my ear. This man, I be vampire. And they chop for first and blood. They suck for blood. They chop for first and body. Na vampire for me. I be carry one.
This man. Hello. He said mama take poison. Give him against poison now. Make him vomit everything. Okay. Don't give him. He vomit him, abi? Obumbangwa zongwangwa. Now this one now I go take believe say I get her. I get her wella, Jimmy. Okay, he said he go come when on a kid, no problem. I did. Hey, I full grand. Hi, Obumbangwa zongwangwa.
Oh, you don't finish?
Now my customer, he said mama take poison. Okay. But they don't vomit her.
Well, what I been want make we talk now based on this house rent issue matter. Landlord don't to give us signal based on this house rent. I mean, now when he will send letter bomb come this house, now we will not say serious.
Why they talk like that?
Not true now. Every time house rent.
In the grace. I go give him hunchback. I go take hunchback answer. I mean, I don't believe me again. And I don't trust me again.
Oh, but no be hunchback matter. They talk house rent, they talk hunchback. If you still give a hunchback, we still paying rent. That free won't live before.
My own be say, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and to God what belongs to God. That money don't today for everybody, Neko. It's well.
Okay, no problem. What you go do be say if they come back tomorrow, make everybody carry his own share of money. You know the amount. No, just share. Give this man. You know, say wait now, wait till they take care of your family.
But the thing be say, you know, say no be waiting I pay when I go pay. On our own supposed pass my own. Because as it stands now, when they use this house and do business, you dey do your church, you dey do your own. No be if I will carry the same amount of money come pay. On our own supposed pass my own. No.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. You supposed to pay daily pay, like hotel. But this place now hotel for you. You will be say anytime you go come out, if you come back, the house go day alone for you. Now night now they take contact enter here. Where my shrine dey? My shrine no be outside the day, they inside this house.
See, if you the first to say me I dey do my church for this house and him get his own shrine for the other side, make you go carry your security people, make una stay here and do your security.
If you can patrol, we go give una try am. Or gather, we gonna go there veranda. They there they do na own gang thing. Na poala. Bring your money tomorrow, and I go even when you say more.
I don't talk my own.
We go see am equal.
Shut up, no they talk. I know the daggers will they speak your own English. Niggas will know.
I don't know try to bring am.
Ya no to ku Igbo abagi no ya no to ku isutu Igbo ka nwa fu Igbo. Na poala. Siana. You Siana. Come on here make us see.
Make you come on your leg. Carry your come on for you. I'll make sure. Come on for them, my friend. You don't see your life. You know, say as you disgrace yourself, you listen here. You go come with your stride, they do incantation for person, you go come mess for the person head. Come spoil it.
Where is all this gate, man?
What am I seeing? Delilah. Where are you going?
I want to go buy something.
You dress.
I see sales rape. They are going to rape you. No, they are not going to. Look at the way you dress like Shakira. To go and attract all these people. You see that your pocket toy? Nobody is entering there again. It belongs to me. This is your bunani and your fafu. You can drop it here and go. I don't need your body. All I need is all this in Kiruk and Dazok. Keep them and go anywhere you want to go. But for now, baby, look at me.
Excuse me, I want to go buy something.
Look at me. Since I've been working on myself, do you see me with any drink? I've stopped drinking. If not this one that's intoxicating me, this is the one I drank last week. Plus the cost following it. Why don't you accept me as your lawful wedded husband? To love and to cherish. To love and to hold. For better, for worse. You can't leave the worst. Let's take better. So that it will be better for me and you.
When you're done with your nonsense, I'll go buy what I want to buy.
Back to center. I am waiting for you. Instead, let me make here a bed of roses for myself. Don't sleep, move. I am waiting for you. I will not sleep at the crest.
Wait, I'm working at your home. I'm not getting for them.
It's Pastor Reverend Anthony around.
I said?
It's Pastor Reverend around.
I did for inside. See people, and they waiting for me. I'm not going to wait to make a phone back.
and they come down now. Looking at me, make I go see person so.
Abu Kola.
Sister, sorry, what is the meaning of this rubbish you are doing for here?
Reverend, will you stop that? Reverend, this is my decent cousin. I brought him here. He's been mad for 5 years now. I brought him here for you to pray for him.
Hey, but you not tell me say you dey come today now.
I know.
Hey, what did you happen to say? I dey go make I go see one commissioner when I want go pray for. Hey, see as crowd dey here, they wait for me for consultation. They wait for me for consultation. Hey, make I go see the commissioner. I dey come.
You want to do this to me? I brought him all the way from the village down here to be prayed for, and you won't abandon me and my cousin like that.
Hey, no be say I don't want pray for them. No be say I don't want pray for them. But in make una come back next week. Make I quickly go see commissioner.
Pray for me, that's right. Pray for people who are carrying me.
Pray for him now. Others are waiting for you. So is it my own that you don't want to pray for? Will you stop?
Okay. But I don't want to make these people come they say, they don't face you come. You come they come inside now, come they pray for you, come they do miracle. For the present, when I suppose attend to them.
Is that an issue?
Make I go. Okay. You know say there is nothing too big for my God to do.
I know. I trust your anointing, and that is why I came with him here.
But you see this, they do make you talk to them now. Talk to them, make it calm down.
Calm down, okay? Keep quiet, stop making noise.
Okay, you want make I pray for him? Make the spirit of madness come up for you.
I want you to pray for him. He's been suffering for too long.
Okay.
Yes.
Make you no worry. Tell him make you down.
Prophet, is that my job? You are the prophet here. You have to use your Bible to command that spirit of madness in him to nail that.
No be you go be pastor of his wife. Your pastor of his wife. I give you the anointing. Make you sit up to them. Make you kneel down. Make I pray for him. Talk to them. Tell them make you kneel down.
So I should command him to kneel down
exactly,
as the wife of the pastor.
Benny. Okay. Tell them make you kneel down.
My friend, go down on your knees. I command you, go down on your knees.
Make you kneel down.
Pastor, before I pray for this person, make I know say any badness I don't. This person I don't perform bad person. You know. Any madness when facing I don't get up, so my teeth I don't promote. The madness are very strong one. Okay, Polo. These are for people I can't
pray for
him. Make it close your eyes. Make I pray for him.
My eyes
make it
closed.
close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Make I pray for him.
Yes.
I will pray for him. Send it, Susu.
Les Susu.
Les Susu. Les Susu. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
You spirit of madness. Aya, come up from this body now. Come up from this body now. I say come up from this body now. Les Susu. Come up from this body now. You spirit of madness, come up from this body. Come up from this body. Come up from this body. Les Susu. Come up from this body. It don't bite me. No.
Come back here. Are you there? Come on.
Hey! I think something for like say I get up for power. I don't say first I did for you, they wait for what? No problem. I tell her for me, say, I have Sajuju, I get up power faster for this prophet. Professor Tony, I don't see her for the one. When my brothers make a cross here for the Rama, okay, no. Dave, I don't there for house here for this Rama. Why happen for this place? I am Sajuju. Man, people. So man, people I get up for power. William! Hey! Oga Polo, Felix. See, me, I'm not follow for problem. Ow! William!
They think I am mad, but they are the ones that are bad and fleeing themselves.
In fact, I know Chris again. I know Chris for like, I know Goro. I don't follow for prophets. I don't follow for prophets. That is a no killer for you.
Where you go? Please. Where you go? Where you go? Hey, you don't give me reference for her, man. You're defending me. Make you open that gate. I'm going to see that today. This is so painful. Charity. Fake by me, Abi. And so you want to kill me? Charity. After you bring in madman into my compound unannounced. Yeah. It's like both of you plan this thing. Two of you plan to kill me in this house, Abi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Baby, how can you say this? How can you say that? How can I kill my own prophet, my own husband to be? I can't do that now. I only brought him here for you to heal him of the madness. And come to think of it, where did your anointing? What happened to your anointing? I thought you said you were so endowed with the anointing of God that you can even raise the dead, heal the sick. If you can raise the dead, then what happened to just a mere madman? What happened to him? Why is it that you cannot even heal him of the madness? Now I have to go and look for people to search for him everywhere to catch him back to the village.
See, you better do that fast though. If not, that Rottweiler dog of your brother will keep person in this house. Oh. Yeah. If like say, even get my bone.
Oh, sorry.
What will I tell Dave and those that happened to me? This one they go use laugh finish me for this house. They go kill me with laugh in this house. You even conspire with that madman of your brother to come and give me. That is why you are pressing it, Abi.
How can I conspire with my brother?
I know, but don't worry. Let me recover. The kind of Holy Ghost fire when I go send give una too. We are not too no go fit understand them. Don't worry.
Holy Ghost fire on me. When he wanted to bite you, you did not even send the Holy Ghost fire on him. And it is what did I do to you? Me that is helping you now. And now you won't concern her for me. What did I do you? Sorry.
My enemies will not see me. They will not see me. Yeah. Charity. Sorry.
Sorry.
Charity, I didn't say you say you love me.
I love you.
We are the hustlers. What is this one? They no say you talk about. I better play me match. If nobody gives you what you want.
I make up for gather skills now.
Your father left it. Now your papa they see for the ball. Three more. Hey!
Can I have a word with you? So looks like you're the only one seated here. I no be one waste plenty time. I been like this your phone. It makes sense. This your calls.
Thank you.
I tell you, that's all.
Hey! Don't think this guy dey open me. This guy no dey fear.
See the hug. No, just a smile. No fuck up.
Okay, yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Just a give out.
I no see him because I blind.
Still didn't get to type of formula for this life. Born Osinachi material and then trained Omila. This guy now born material.
I don't know say fresh boys don't they obtain self.
Go locate that guy before him go cast our barrel for this time.
My bastard, that guy gave vision. What did I want to tell my mama now?
It's in your market to do with this. I dey tell you.
See, I dey for bad the brew. Person come where the brew. We be say me say who I know say I rugged and tight. Come obtain me, I dey hear the look.
No, that guy. No. Virus.
My body dey hot. Boy. Oh, then when you meet now.
If I like, make a call for prophecy next time. Prophecy, I never get you for myself from my bite, bro. I took, you see this girl I call her for charity. This girl I will kill her first for this comfort. I go take her for mad face where I no get her for teeth. And mad faithful where my teeth I don't promote. That's madness I did very dangerous. Eh? Says the mad face in a come. I put the dance. Now God I say one for me. Now go the Allah. Some go say me a liar for them. If say no liar for them, this person I want.
Sister Charity, make you take care. Make you take care. The healing where God don't do today, it's a remain permanent. It's a remain permanent.
I know it is going to remain permanent because God has used you to heal my health.
My prophet, Major General Anthony.
Kini.
Hi, I know who's here for watching a half an hour for off. Yeah? Cool. Make I tell her for me. You see, my fearful bite. I feel like snake bite. And hear me go. This thing I did very poisonous. If I not treat her.
Hey, I don't hear. My doctor, you don't tell me. Make it not the touch my friend.
Don't touch.
Make it not the tell me your own. No. My doctor, you don't tell me. Not they remind me.
No problem.
Specialty.
Please let me get out of here.
Make you remember say the healing will remain permanent in Jesus' name.
It shall be
when
permanent.
you reach out, if you reach out, make you still there. Pray for the healing. Make it remain permanent.
I
you don't
will.
go come back again.
I will.
All right, don't have. The healing will remain permanent too. Okay now.
I shall be permanent. Permanent healing, permanent white.
Make I tell you. You see what happen for here today? I mean the miracle and the healing where God used me do for here today. You see everything will happen. I don't want to hear them for anybody mouth. Not even anybody mouth. You see the words and the air that we breathe in. I don't want to make them hear them. Especially my friends. Those here and they feel. I don't want to make them hear them. Because if they hear them, what I go do you? You know go like them. Make you there for this gate. They watch the gate.
See, prophet, I get her for one and if I put her for this hand, it's
I don't hear. Make you there for gate. They forget.
I know what take her for. Back I sing and that's song I sing her for. I shall be permanent. I shall be permanent. What in God I do for me? I shall be permanent.
Oh boy. What are you doing for us? Oh, but this one where you did like say this guy handle. Person die. What happen?
May no dey toss am. I beg. Now just small little thing. Now it happen for my hand. I don't know say sharp object is there for ground. Now I am go for the sharp object. Come scratch my hand.
Sorry.
So now this small thing, now make you tie your hand like football captain club. Yeah? Come. You never tell us the truth. Tell us what happened to you.
No say sharp object is there for ground. Now
No, they talk. Save this your story. Get man don't play us the tape. Don't tell us what happened. You say if you know the look face. You see madman we don't craze for 20 years. You're gonna do a banner. You won't kill yourself.
Come.
You ban. You know go
Buy my advice. You better say you go treat yourself. Nah. As he take bite you, that's why you go take rush, go hospital, go treat yourself. Maka, if you ever back like dog here, everybody can get a movie for you. Napwara. Sharp object.
Make you. I talk and say this aboki get man. You no go fit close him mouth. You don't go tell them say na madman. Now you bite me. When I don't even like give them say na sap up there. Now he scratch my hand. And I go treat yourself. Make you listen for me. Make you listen. My small sweet. I've been observing you since you entered inside my room. You've been looking and sounding so depressed. Shebi kosi konkotun shele. There is no problem. Everything is well.
There's a problem. I've missed my period. And I don't want my uncle to find out, or else he will just bury me alive.
Not again. It's well,
Even in that your will, God knows I am pregnant. Let's do something about it before my uncle. Wait, you said not again. Meaning you've gotten someone else pregnant before now. Who was that?
Rara. It was only a slip of the tongue. These days I've been having a lot on my head. So many bombs on my head. And I'm looking for a way to discharge them. So many temptations have been coming off, which I've been overcoming them. See what thing go happen. Later I go give you money. May you take go commode the pregnancy before your uncle finds out.
Now I am a temptation, Abi. But when you were enjoying it, it was never a temptation for you to conquer. Well, I've heard what you said, but I'll only accept on the condition that both of us will go for the abortion together.
Yeah. You go bring problem for your family. I follow you the fight. Make me the go. I'll be pastor. I go waste you. I take. What's happening here? Huh? Police! What are you doing there? Will you stand up and arrest him? London, you can back go. You want to one corner bug. What are you doing? You the police, go and arrest him. Go and arrest him. Why you want to? Arrest him.